Thank you. The Letcher County Sheriff accused of killing a judge appeared in court today.
In his arraignment, he pleaded not guilty. District Judge Kevin Mullins was fatally shot inside the Letcher County Courthouse last week.
Letcher County Sheriff Sean "Mickey" Steins is charged with first-degree murder in that investigation. He is accused of shooting Mullins in his chambers after an argument. He's
being held 2 counties away from Letcher County in the Leslie County Detention Center. However, today he appeared remotely via Zoom while court proceeded in Carter County, Kentucky. News Channel 11's Karen Jenkins is in Kentucky right now following the case.
Karen, what happened in court this morning?
Well, as you said, he did plead not guilty, but before the sheriff even entered that plea, there was a lot of discussion about his defense team and specifically whether the sheriff could afford to hire his own attorney or whether he needed a public defender.
Are you Sean Steins?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent.
Letcher County Sheriff Sean "Mickey" Steins found himself facing another judge just 6 days after he's accused of gunning down Judge Kevin Mullins in his chambers at the Letcher County Courthouse.
You're charged with murder, a capital offense here in Kentucky, a Class A felony.
Today's court appearance was virtual, with Steins, Judge Rupert Wilhoit, and the Commonwealth's attorney Jackie Steele all in different locations in Kentucky. None were in Letcher County, where the crime occurred. Before he could enter a plea, it had to be established whether Steins could afford to hire an attorney or if he met the requirements to be appointed a public defender. Public Defender Josh Miller was already accompanying Steins, but Commonwealth's attorney Jackie Steele questioned why he was there.
What he's telling me is that he's been out soliciting a client, which is obviously not allowed under our ethical obligations as attorneys. Two, even if he has and he's been out trying to discern how much his financial capacities are, he's wasting state resources without an appointment.
Miller denied those accusations and said he doesn't believe it'll be long before Steins won't be able to afford an attorney.
Sir, it's my understanding that he's in the process of losing his job as the sheriff of Letcher County, obviously, and will not have income going forward. His family is not prepared for this eventuality.
Judge Wilhoit confirmed Stein owns his own home in Kentucky, has property in Tennessee with a mortgage, and is still employed as sheriff.
And what's your income?
It's based on statute. I think this year it was going to be 115.
Judge Wilhoit asked Steins if he hoped to hire an attorney.
I hope so. It's kind of hard, for a man to have contact with people I need to.
But in order to move the case forward and schedule a preliminary hearing, the judge did appoint Miller as Steins' public defender.
If and when this case does proceed to circuit court, the circuit court may require you to hire your own counsel. Do you understand that, Mr. Steins?
Yes, sir.
And we have just received word that Governor Andy Beshear, the Kentucky governor, has sent a letter to Sheriff Steins asking him to resign. And he says if he does not resign by Friday, the governor will go ahead with a state statute that allows him to remove peace officers from office if warranted. Reporting live in Letcher County, Kentucky, I'm Karen Jenkins. Back to you.
Karen.